Drop an avocado pit into boiling water, and you'll discover an old grandmother's secret. Cut open an avocado and remove the pit. Peel it, then slice it into thin pieces. Add the slices to a pot of boiling water. Add 1 cinnamon stick and 1/2 cup of dried hibiscus. Simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain the drink into a glass. You'll get a warming homemade infusion that supports the body during infections. It's a natural way to ease coughs and colds. This mixture eliminates cough and helps remove phlegm. It treats sore throat. You can make it at any time. You will stop cough attacks and recover faster. Slice a red onion. Then chop a piece of ginger. Also, chop 1 garlic clove. Slice 1 clean lime. In a pot, add the ingredients one by one. Onion helps treat persistent dry cough, as well as wet cough with accompanying phlegm. Ginger warms up stagnant secretions, soothes cough, and eliminates sore throat. Garlic is a well-known home antibiotic and has antiseptic properties, thus alleviating sore throat. Lime aids in treating upper respiratory tract disorders, including cough and sore throat. Add a cinnamon stick. This spice effectively soothes sore throat and persistent cough. Pour 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to each glass. Drink twice a day for 1 week. Do you make such mixtures at home? A specialist revealed to me the biggest secret for easing discomfort. Take an onion, peel it, and slice it. Separate the slices into individual rings. They release natural oils that help soothe and relax tense areas faster. Prepare a tall jar and drop the onion rings inside. Now add ginger. Peel it. Cut it into small pieces and put it in the jar. Ginger creates deep warmth and helps loosen tight spots. The next ingredient is lemon. Cut it in half. Its natural acids gently stimulate the skin and improve absorption of the other ingredients. Squeeze the juice straight into the jar. Finally, pour Coca-Cola over everything. Its sugars and acids act as an activator, helping the mixture combine and speeding up the release of warming compounds. Close the jar and let it sit overnight. The next day, soak gauze in the mixture and massage it gently around your knees, wrists, or any area that needs warmth and relief. You'll feel comforting heat and relaxation in moments. It's a simple home remedy that brings amazing comfort. My family returns to it often. A pest control specialist shared this trick with me. Cockroaches will no longer be a problem in your home. Prepare a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This acts as bait and attracts them. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda disrupts their internal functions and causes them to stop returning to that area. Add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. It works as a binder, combining the ingredients into a uniform mixture so the sugar and baking soda do not separate. This also gives the mixture the right consistency. Add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Its sharp, spicy scent is irritating and effectively repels cockroaches. Then add half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Its strong smell disorients cockroaches and discourages them from staying in that area. Finally, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. This oil is the most effective against cockroaches. It strengthens the scent and intensifies the repellent effect. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a shallow dish and spread a small amount of the mixture inside. Place it in areas where cockroaches appear most often near the refrigerator, by doors, and in kitchen corners. It also works well near trash bins. This is a simple home method that helps reduce the presence of cockroaches without using expensive chemicals or calling in professionals. This is how I got rid of moths for good. Moths are small insects that can quickly take over your kitchen or your closet. All you need is a simple mixture whose smell they can't stand. Start with a bowl. Then take 3 bay leaves. They have a strong, intense scent that effectively repels moths. Crumble them into smaller pieces. The next ingredient is dried lavender. 1 tablespoon is enough. Lavender not only smells wonderful, but also repels moths and helps keep everything smelling fresh. Now add 1 teaspoon of cloves. They have a very strong, spicy aroma that moths can't tolerate. Next, add cinnamon. 1 teaspoon is enough. Cinnamon confuses moths and makes them not want to return to that place. Now it's time for dried mint. You can even dry it yourself. Mint has a refreshing scent and also repels insects with its strong aroma. Mix everything thoroughly. The last ingredient is essential oil. Lavender oil works best. It boosts the overall scent of the mixture and strengthens its effect. Add about 10 drops. Gently mix everything again. Now prepare some aluminum foil. Tear off a piece, place the mixture on the foil, and roll it into a small ball. Finally, make a few small holes so the aroma can slowly release. Place the finished balls wherever you have moths. They work great in the pantry next to dry goods. You can also place them near fruits and vegetables. It's also a good idea to put one in your clothing closet, as moths can appear there too. Just remember to replace them regularly, and the moths won't come back. A homemade way to clean your shower that removes limescale like an expensive store-bought cleaner. I've been using it for over 30 years. Start with dish soap, something everyone has at home. It easily breaks down grease, grime, and soap residue. Measure about 10 fluid ounces of dish soap and pour it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. It contains gentle but effective microabrasives that help remove buildup and add shine. Next, pour in about 14 fluid ounces of vinegar. Vinegar works as a natural descaler, dissolving limescale, removing streaks, and restoring a smooth finish. To dilute the mixture, add 1 cup of water. Another key ingredient is baking soda. It boosts the cleaning power and helps tackle even stubborn dirt. Pour the mixture onto the shower tray and tiles, scrub thoroughly with a broom to reach every corner, then remove the excess liquid and dry the surfaces. The result is a sparkling clean shower with limescale gone, just like after using an expensive product. This mixture also works well for cleaning the toilet. Simple and effective. Mix everything together and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never looked this clean. No streaks, no dirt, and the shine lasts. Start with a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is great for removing stains and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and cleans all kinds of surfaces, not just in the kitchen. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It easily cuts through grease and grime. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It degreases, shines, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It kills bacteria and fungi, making it a key ingredient in this mix. Stir everything well. The mixture may fizz a little. That's normal. Pour in about 4 cups of warm water and mix thoroughly. Then add another 4 cups to make the cleaner ready to use. Transfer the solution to a mop bucket. But there's one final touch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. It will leave your floor smelling fresh. Dip your mop, wring it out, and clean your floors as usual. The result? Shiny, spotless floors free from bacteria and dust mites.